Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Bosch VitaPower Series 4 MMB6174SN Blender, an improved version designed for ultimate performance. With a powerful 1200 watt motor and a remarkable speed of up to 30,000 RPM, this blender's pro performance system ensures optimal consistency for your smoothies, even when using frozen fruits and solid ingredients. The 1.5-liter ThermoSafe glass container is both temperature-safe and durable, making it perfect for a variety of blending tasks. Crafted with rust-proof stainless steel blades made in Germany, this blender is not only efficient but also easy to maintain, thanks to its removable blades and dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, it includes a convenient 0.6-liter to-go bottle with drip protection, allowing you to take your delicious creations on the move with ease. Whether you're blending up a nutritious breakfast or a post-workout shake, the Bosch VitaPower Series 4 is your go-to appliance for high-quality results. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.